them I go do ya now. New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Attorney at law, and I represent Mr. Dean Mitchell. On Wednesday, April 1st, Mr. Mitchell made a video, and that video went viral. You would have seen via different media platforms that the video in which Mr. Mitchell said some disparaging things about the constabulary force, the Prime Minister, and it was very disrespectful to Jamaica, and he has now recognized the implications, the seriousness of his actions, and he has now taken responsibility and would love to tender an apology to the people of Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, as well as our Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness.
Yes, good evening, Jamaica. My name is Dean Mitchell. On Wednesday, April 1st, I made a video that is disgraceful and demeaning. I want to apologize sincerely to the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, to Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. My behavior was outright and disrespectful. The things I said is not worthy to repeat, but I want to say I'm very sorry for saying all those things. As a result, I want to sincerely apologize to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Prime Minister, the hard-working men and women of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And I want all Jamaicans to take this coronavirus, COVID-19, very serious and apply by the rules and regulations marked by the Prime Minister. Alright, to all my friends, them family, loved ones, all over Jamaica, I want to know the truth. This thing is not a joke thing. It's very serious. The coronavirus, COVID-19 is very serious. When I made the video, I was just a joke, and I took it very seriously. I wanted to listen to what the Prime Minister work with the police, them staying on the house because this thing killing off people all over the world. Italy, how much thousands of people dead. We're supposed to know already, I mean I tell you know. They must try to keep us safe. I made a joke about it, and again, I'm very sorry, and I apologize to the whole Jamaica, the JCF, and the Prime Minister. Honorable Andrew Holness.
Yeah, people, so the owner can go on and see now, right? You do apologize, which made it stated, say, yeah, I have to do a public apology, which the lawyer do let him do the public apology. In the end, he was due charge, you understand, for disobeying the orders, you know what I mean, of what the government say about the curfew and thing. He's charged for that. You understand? He do spend time in jail, can do sleep in a jail because of that. Like him just get released or something. You know what I mean, people? He do spend more one night behind bars because of this little stupid thing. And in the end, people, I'm not attack him right now. You know, understand? So you're not getting an attack from New Link here. No. But what me I gonna say now? I say some look at that idiot now. I follow this brother here now, people. And I send out them bag of video then, you know, with the same disobeying thing and being disrespectful to the Constabulary Force of Jamaica, to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and to even the whole Jamaica. Because once you this the Prime Minister, you this the police, then you this everything at Jamaica. You this even we who not there at Jamaica right now as Jamaican. You know what I mean? So what I want to say is, people, these men, they maybe do it and peace, they might make themselves famous and go viral, but in the end, they're going to make themselves look stupid and going to make themselves look like a fool and a big idiot. Because honestly, look at this man now, people. Oh, look. That man is 37-year-old now. You understand? And when we did see him do the video first, people, I think so the man was one little boy, maybe one 21-year-old, 20-year-old boy. You know what I mean? Because I not expect a man at the age of 37-year-old to do something really stupid like that. You know what I mean? And when Mr. saying age was 37, me really look and say, yo, John, the brother is shaky, you know. You know what I mean? Because, and they saying definitely to get the attack that time, but now when we see a big man now, him turn and look to boy now. Because you see him look now like a little boy now. Public apology to everybody, and them a do give the people words about the COVID-19 and say it's a serious thing, which is really great and which is really good. You understand? That's why I'm saying that everybody deserve a second chance, and when he have the heart and the lawyer can talk to him and he come and do a public apology, we have to do accept that, and I do accept it. But all I can say, I hope he don't make the same stupid mistake again, and I hope you learn from it, and I hope others out there who are doing the same thing, I hope this video will make them learn and have sense and stop them foolishness there. You understand? If I do a video, I do something awareness about the COVID-19 and the seriousness of it, cause and do a video and tell the people, say, come off our road. You understand? The police, them go on a time, them say from 8 p.m. till 6 a.m. We're not lucky. We made it right now at 24 hours curfew we are under. We don't get it for 6 or almost 7 days. You know what we get it for? I'm going like, we are going for like 17 days. No, 21 days. 24-hour curfew, 21 days, 24 hours. So we not lucky. We don't get it from 8 p.m. till 6 a.m. And we not get it for 6-7 days. Think about that. While other people, yeah, you know what I mean, people? So we're grateful for that. And stop this, the Prime Minister. Which I think you need to start going to the 24-hour curfew on when more learn something. So I don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers, man. I don't know. So this is New Link from New Link Production, man. And we say attack, attack, attack. And we never stop attack. Enough love and enough respect to each and everyone who support the thing. Who was the New Link, who represent for New Link. Everyone there. Whether Jamaica, whether Trinidad, whether Barbados, whether Bahamas, whether Turks and Caicos, whether England, whether USA, whether over Africa, whether over Europe, whether in a St. Kitts and Nevis, whether in a Curacao, whether in a Martinique, whether in a Belize, whether in a Montserrat, whether in a Costa Rica, anyone out there, in a Cuba, or now say New Link in a Canada, we are say attack, attack, and big up on yourself. But from down here in the country, calling us now, so represent for the same way. Guyana, big up on yourself, I know fans them there, Guyana, I understand. So don't know the thing of people. Jamaica, we love you, one love, peace out, attack them New Link.
Maga do ya know? New Link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New Link. Attack.